The next definition, equation of a line in normal form. So first we are taking the coordinate axis here, x-axis and y-axis. This is the origin, point of intersection of the coordinate axis. Now suppose this is the line. Now the equation of this line in the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Here p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the given line. This value is taken as p, perpendicular distance from origin to the given line, and alpha is the angle made by the normal of the line with the x-axis. This is the line, this is the required line. This is the perpendicular line of the given line. Perpendicular means normal. Normal is nothing but the perpendicular. So the normal of the line makes an angle alpha with the x-axis. Then we can take the equation of the line in the normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Where p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line. Now that is the formula. The equation of the line in normal form is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Here p is the perpendicular distance from origin to the line, and alpha is the angle made by the normal of the line with the x-axis in the positive direction. That's all. Next problem, transform the equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0 into slope intercept form and normal form. Now we have to convert the given equation of the line in these three forms. First form slope intercept form, and next form intercept form, and the last form normal form. Slope intercept form means we have to convert the given equation in the form of y equals to mx plus c. Intercept form means x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, and normal form means x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. So first we are taking the given line equation. Given line is 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. Now first form slope intercept form. So slope intercept form is which is nothing but y is equals to mx plus c. So given line is 4x minus 3y plus 12 is equals to 0. Y equal to mx plus c means we have the y term at one side and the remaining two terms at other side. So we are writing this equation as 3y is equals to 4x plus 12. That is converting this minus 3y to that side. Then it becomes plus 3y. 3y is equal to 4x plus 12. Which implies y is equals to, we want the y only. Here y portion must be 1. So dividing this total equation by 3. That is converting this 3 to that side. Converting this 3 to that side. That is y is equals to 4x plus 12 by 3, and this is equals to 4x by 3 plus 12 by 3. That is y is equals to 4 by 3 into x plus 4. 12 by 3, 4. Now when we compare this equation with y is equals to mx plus c, then what we get, m is equals to 4 by 3 and the value of c is equals to 4. m equal to 4 by 3, c is equal to 4. That's all. This is the first form. Next second form, intercept form. Intercept form means the formula is x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. That is, again we take the given line equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 means we want the constant at one side and the remaining two terms at the other side. For that we are taking this equation as 4x minus 3y is equals to minus 12, converting the constant to that side. Now here we want the value 1 means we are dividing this total equation by the number 12, minus 12. That is 4x minus 3y by minus 12 is equals to minus 12 by minus 12. That is, now separating the denominator to both of the terms, 4x by minus 12 plus minus 3y by minus 12 equals to 1. That is, x by minus 3 minus of minus plus y by 3 4 12, y by 4 equal to 1. Now this is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equals to 1. So when we compare this equation with x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, then the values of a comma b are a is equals to minus 3 and the value of b is equal to 4. Form is normal form, that is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Now we have to convert the given equation in this form. So further first we are writing the given equation here, 4x minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. First converting the constant to this side, that is 4x minus 3y is equals to minus 12. So to change the given equation to the normal form, here the constant must be non-negative. But here we have the minus 12 number. So making this term into the positive term, multiplying this total equation by minus. We must have positive number here. Further we are multiplying this total equation by minus. That is minus 4x plus 3y is equals to 12. Now we are dividing this total equation by the value. Dividing this equation by square root of a square plus b square. Square root of a square plus b square means here a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 3. That is square root of minus 4 whole square. 16 plus 3 square, 9. That is root 25 equals to 5. Now dividing the total equation by the value 5. That is a procedure for converting the given equation to the normal form. That is minus 4x plus 3y by 5 is equals to 12 by 5. Which implies, separating the denominator, minus 4x by 5 plus 3y by 5 is equals to 12 by 5. Which implies, now this can be taken as x into minus 4 by 5 plus y into 3 by 5 equals to 12 by 5. Now comparing this equation with x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to p. Then cos alpha is equals to minus 4 by 5 and sin alpha is equals to 3 by 5 and the value of p is equals to 12 by 5. And here we want the value of alpha also. Further we are taking the value of tan alpha. Tan alpha is equals to sin alpha by cos alpha. That is 3 by 5 by minus 4 by 5 and that is equals to 3 by minus 4. Therefore the value of alpha is equals to tan inverse of minus 3 by 4. That's all.